I'm 3D printing a Supercar gaming PC, but I almost ruined a 2-day long print. Out of filament, and yet we are still printing literally nothing. So yeah, I don't know how we're gonna fix that. We'll have to figure it out tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, it's going.
Is it working? Is it working? Kind of. Yeah, it kind of looks like it is. Oh, no way. No way it's actually working. It's actually working, chat. It's actually working really well. Click right here to watch episode 1.